Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable LDAC for the headphones Soundcore Space Q45. You have to start by opening the application, now go to Settings, then to Sound Mode, and you should choose Preferred Audio Quality. Turn on, and now we should wait. And we did it. And to disable LDAC, just click on Combine Audio and Connection Quality. That's it. And now make sure that you have Android, because this codec didn't support on iOS devices, so just on Android. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!